What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to give you another Facebook ad strategy that is going to allow you to go out there and create Facebook advertising campaigns that are more powerful and in turn bring more money into your business. And so the campaigns that we're going to focus on in this video are actually video campaigns, okay? Campaigns in which you upload a video into Facebook, and not only a video, right? Because a lot of people think that the only way that you could create quote unquote video campaigns is by uploading a video, but a lot of people don't know that you're also able to create what is called a a slideshow. Okay, you're able to create a slideshow in Facebook advertisement, and that slideshow has the same characteristics as a video. Now, why is a video so important? Why should your advertisement be of videos, right, instead of images? I think that they both have their place. I think that you should be running both. But lately, I've been running a lot of video advertisements. And the main reason why I've been running a lot of video advertisements is because I'm able to leverage creating audiences that are very strategic when it comes to that video. So for example, I'm gonna show you here in a second exactly how to do this for your business today, okay? But first, let me explain why it's so important. So let's say that you upload a video, right? You upload an advertisement for your e-commerce store for a video, or maybe for a webinar, or maybe for your software, or maybe for an offline business. You create a slideshow of pictures or whatever. The cool thing about that is that you're able to create an audience of people that saw 95%. You're able to create an audience, actually not 95%. You're able to do it of 50, of 75, of 95. But the most powerful audience is people that saw 95% of your video, right? So 95% viewed. And guess what? These people are quote unquote hot, right? They're warm customers, or potential customers at least, because they have that type of engagement. They've had this type of engagement with your brand. They watched your entire video, whether it was 5 minutes, whether it was 10 minutes. So they know more or less what your business is about. So you're able to do a couple of different things at this point. You're able to, one, retarget them, right? You can retarget these people that already know who you are, so they're a lot more likely to convert. They're a lot more likely to see your things for a lot cheaper. And two, and a lot more powerful, is that you're able to create a lookalike audience off of people that have seen 95% of your video. Okay, so this is super powerful, because basically, real quick, just to summarize what a lookalike audience is for people that maybe are watching this and don't know, is that let's say that in this circle right here, I have 50 people, okay, and these 50 people have watched 95% of my video. Okay, let's say that they fall onto this criteria, right? What the heck is going on? Let's say they fall on this under this criteria here. So these 100 people right here, they fall under 95% video view. So the thing about Facebook is that Facebook knows these people's age, okay? The Facebook knows how much money they make based on what their job occupation is. Facebook knows what these people's interests are, right? Facebook knows who their friends are, who their family members are, absolutely everything about them, okay? So what you're able to do is that you're able to tell Facebook, hey, Facebook, we have these 100 people here. I want you to create a lookalike audience of these 100 people. And you know what? I want it to be a 1% lookalike audience, which means that it's people as closely related to these 100. And Facebook is going to say, all right, I got you. Boom. 2 million people right here that are very similar to, these 100. So obviously you just took these 100 people, or 1,000, or whatever amount there is, and you turned it into 2 million people that you can now start advertising to. So creating videos is super powerful for a lot of reasons, and this is one of the ones where I'm using it now more and more. Now I'm going to go into my ads manager here on a demo account that I have set up to show you guys exactly how to get all of this set up. All right. So if you don't know how to set up a Facebook advertising campaign, then go watch my other video. I'm going to link it in the description. That's going to show you step by step how to start your first campaigns and all of that. But where I am right now is basically in the audiences section, right? So I'm right here in the audiences. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click right here on create audience. And so you're going to want to do this after your video has been posted and after people have seen it and all of that, right? So I'm going to click right here on custom audience. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on engagement. And then I'm going to click on video, and then I'm going to click right here on choose a content type. So see, you have people who viewed at least 3 seconds. I don't really care about that. people who viewed at least 10 seconds, 25%, 50, 75, and 95% of your video, right? So obviously these are the people that are the warmest and are going to be a lot more likely to interact and potentially even buy stuff from you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click right here on people who watch 95%. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on choose videos. Okay. So here it pulled up my Facebook page, right? Joaquin Corrales. That's me if you didn't know. And here I have all these different videos. So 37,000 people saw this one. 100,000 people saw this one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here. I'm going to click on this video and I'm going to click on confirm. So I want people who watched at least 95% of this video right here in the past 365 names. And I'm going to name this audience cake. Okay, you can name it whatever you want. Not a big deal. Make sure you don't name it cake so you know what it is. But anyways, you're gonna create the audience right there and it's gonna start populating. It's gonna take a little while to populate. But the bottom line is that you could do this right away or you could wait until it's populated. But what you need to do to create that lookalike audience that we spoke about before right here is that you just need to check it off right here. And then you need to go to actions, create lookalike. Okay, here you have the ability now to choose between a 1% to 10% lookalike. The higher the number, the less similar the people are to your source, right? In this case, the source is the audience that I called cake, which are people that have seen 95% of the video. And here you just choose the locations, right? So United States, Canada, Australia, blah, blah, blah. Right? So these high GDP countries. So here I have 2.5 million people that are very similar to people that watched my entire other video. And there are so many other strategies when it comes to Facebook advertising that I could share with you guys. So if you guys are interested in learning more about these Facebook ad strategies, just let me know down below. And I will make some more videos on it. So this is how you create a lookalike audience of people that saw 95%. Yesterday, I posted another video on Facebook ads and a lot of people were asking about this. And so real quick now, I'm going to show you how you could go out there and use this advertisement. So obviously now we have the advertisement right here. So now I would come to my ads manager. What I would do now is I would create a campaign. I would choose whatever type of campaign I would create. There are other videos where I show you guys exactly what the best campaigns are for what. Or actually maybe that video doesn't exist and I'll have to make it, whatever. Click on conversions. Let's say I want a conversions campaign. I'm going to click continue. And then there's going to be a section right here where it says custom audiences. And here you select your lookalike audience. So that's it. Right here, you're selecting an audience that is similar to people that have seen 95% of your video, okay? And I skipped over a couple of things in this tutorial as far as, like, for example, I didn't explain what all of this is and whatever, but just go ahead and go watch the video in my description if you have no idea what you're looking at right now. And then when you come back to this, if you have some sort of experience with Facebook advertisement, then this could be an aha moment for you where you're like, wow, this is like a new type of audience that I could start implementing into my business. I think it's awesome. You guys should definitely start doing it and let me know how it goes. And that's about it, guys. This is a short video. I think this is one of the most valuable videos, I think, here, because this type of audience is super powerful. And it kind of pushes you guys to use video and to also use the slideshow. A lot of people don't know that using the slideshow actually creates a video and you're able to do these same types of things with this. Guys, so this is a 180-day challenge. My name is Joaquin Corrales, and I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next video.